Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, phone in my hand, yeah, I'm watching the game. Candles going up, yeah, I'm chasing my aim. Red to green, yeah, ready to resign. While they wasting time, I'm investing mine. Cap on low, but my vision stay high. Quiet little player, but I'm built to fly. No lucky win, yeah, I studied the chart. Every loss hit hard, but it made me smart.
They don't understand what I see in the screen. Every little movement got a story in between. Holding down waves like the life I live. Take a risk every day, got no fear to give. I low, sell high, yeah, I follow the code. From zero to something, I'm building my road. No shortcuts here, just patience and grind. Money on my mind, but I stay aligned. While they scroll reels, I'm learning the trade. Future in my hands, yeah, I'm self-made. One day profit gonna change my scene. From a small phone screen to a big money dream. Young mind sharp, yeah, I'm playing it wise. Not just a boy, I'm a man in disguise. Numbers don't lie, yeah, I trust my plan. From chart to success, watch me expand.